Hey guys, welcome to DriveSpark. I'm Vikas Patanda and today we're going to be talking about helmet maintenance. Maintaining your helmet is crucial for two main reasons: hygiene and longevity of your helmet. Guys, you might think maintaining your helmet is a difficult task. Let me tell you, it's absolutely not. All you have to do is dismantle, clean and assemble it back. Let's get to it.
Let's begin with the cheek pads. To remove the cheek pads, turn the helmet upside down. Look for the buttons which hold the cheek pads to the shell. Now, gently pull the edge of the cheek pads like this. Pull the chin strap from behind. Now, slowly slide the cheek pad from the helmet. Next, let's remove the chin curtains. This may seem a little tricky, but fairly a simple process. All you have to do is pull it from the edge and slide the curtain out. And now comes the comfort liner. To remove the liners, make sure you have a removable liner. Locate the locking buttons and gently pull them out. Now remove the liner slowly. In my helmet, I have 4 snap points where the liner is locked to. It may be different in yours. Remove the buttons as well. And now that we have removed all the necessary washable items, it's time for us to wash them. In my case, I would just throw them in the washing machine. Or, if you don't want to put it in the washing machine, use a good shampoo. If it works for your head, it will work for your helmet too. Make sure you don't use any of these expensive shampoos. I stole these from my wife, and I might be in trouble if she's watching this video. Let's head to the exteriors of the helmet. First, we have to remove the visor. Every brand is different. Each one have their own locking mechanism. Go through the owner's manual if you do not have the same mechanism as mine. Now, open the lid. Push the little button here. Your visor will be released from the lock. Do the same on the other side. It's that simple. To clean the visor, you will need a soft cloth or a microfiber cloth, preferably like this one. We all know what this is. Cotton. Yes, it's easily available in any of the professional stores. Now spray some cotton on your cloth and give the visor a good gentle wipe. Make sure you don't touch the visor with your bare fingers and end up leaving fingerprints. Now, let's clean the shell. Use a clean microfiber cloth. Spray it with Colin in my case. If you don't have one, you can always use a mild detergent. Clean the helmet thoroughly. And now, we have a clean and shiny shell. Now that you're done with washing and drying, it's time for us to assemble them back. Let me quickly show you how it is done.
So, wasn't it simple? I sure hope it was. If you want me to cover any particular topics on automotive DIY, please drop in a message in the comment section below. For more such informative videos, please like, share and subscribe to DriveSpark. This is Vikas Patanda signing off. Until then, ride safe, be safe.